One of the reviews that we had for the show, because I do my burlesque act and I wear this wig, and just because it's a blonde wig doesn't mean it's Marilyn. But you chuck on a red lip and a wing liner and a blonde wig and you're Marilyn.
Yes.
And one of the reviews mentioned this and said they have a excellent Marilyn Monroe stripper. And then literally, a clever move.
Oh.
And I was like, oh my God.
Oh my God.
I'll be like coming and making a cup of tea, and my classmates come and they go, clever move. Like,
Oh, man. Hello and welcome to Ride or Die, the show where we take you through the wonderful world of hair.
Yeah, we want to become your ride or die and support you through all your hairdressing endeavors. So we have a special guest today.
I know, I'm so excited. I'm beaming. My beautiful friend Rachel, I've known for a very, very long time. When this was coming up, I was like, I know the perfect person. We're going to get her in. So let's bring her over.
Let's meet her.
Girl. Excited. Oh my God.
Nice to meet you.
I am stoked.
We had a little bit of chat before, but I want to know, what is your life like here? What are you doing?
Can I maybe make you a coffee while that's
yes, please. That would be amazing.
Okay.
Ooh. So at the moment,
Well, she's serious.
I'm here in Berlin performing for the Winter Garden Variety Theatre. Dancer and a burlesque artist in it at the moment, and I choreographed as well. Yeah.
So we are going to do your hair today. And what is it that you're after? Like, do you have an idea?
You know, I'm a Pixie girl.
Yeah.
I wear wigs in the show, so I needed something to anchor the wig down on. Started growing it out, but in my heart of hearts, she's a short hair gal. She's a short hair gal.
Yes, yeah.
So I think it's time that we make the chop. It's very common for dancers to have something long and maybe more what's typically feminized, and I really enjoy challenging that with something shorter.
And that's what makes you stand out.
Yeah.
So excited.
Amazing.
Oh, that coffee, yeah. You need a coffee.
Please.
Sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't even know where to begin.
We have a journey.
We have a journey. I mean, it's really funny because I have ridiculous photos of Rachel. We have like a pink root blonde moment. That was really fun. Mm-hmm. We did this a couple of years ago for a competition I entered, and I love the 80s, and I was like, right. I mean, look at that.
Oh, no.
Okay,
I feel like as hairdressers.
Oh, mate.
I was like, what did I do?
It's so great. It's so great.
Yeah.
The buzz.
Oh, the buzz.
Not many people can pull that off.
I did love the buzz.
Yeah. This is the kind of haircut that I had in mind.
Yeah. So a bit more length on the side.
Where there's like a little bit of playability.
Yeah. That's what we're vibing.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I think that looks iconic.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Let's get started. Is this a birthmark?
Yeah, I have a birthmark, but it has like a scar through the middle of it.
That's beautiful.
I know.
Not a very interesting story. At one point, I was telling my students that I got bitten by a shark, but no, it's a sun cancer. That's a real problem.
Yeah.
And so I had just some moles that were in a high-risk area, so I just had them removed. And for so long, I was actually very self-conscious about it. I kept my long hair up until I was 18, but I'd always wanted short hair. That scar and the birthmark kind of stopped me from doing it a little bit because I was really scared of exposing it, and then I just thought, nah.
We are using SilkLift Strong and 6%. I really like fresh lightener, especially when I know my client's hair really well and how much product I need. I actually mix 2 bowls. What I do is keep the other one next to me on my station, but not mix it.
For sure.
I don't want to have a bowl of lightener sitting there, like it's expanding in the bowl, and I'm like, I can't work quick enough. So yeah, having this little hack is really, really good. Rachel's hair, probably at its darkest part, is a 7. It is so, so light. And like Salomé, actually, depending on the hair, but most of the time I actually work
Bottom up.
bottom up.
Yeah, I always work bottom up.
Yeah. I've stopped actually doing the hot cross bun section, because if you apply straight down the middle there, that's the part that's going to have the lightener on the longest. And often you see with blondes, especially platinums, that is their breakage point, like right along their part line or down the middle there. So working from the deepest part, it's a little more fiddly, yes, but I prefer that than breakage.
The fact that we're obviously applying together helps a lot, the processing time.
So it looks like Jools is the faster worker, yeah?
Oh no, there's way more hair back here.
I mean,
Frito,
it's not a competition, but...
Those are fighting words.
Okay.
She will bleach your hair. Would you like some frosted tip? If you talk back to us one more time, I'm going to make you look like a Backstreet Boy. No, wait, I'm going to make you look like Justin Timberlake from NSYNC, and you're going to look like you've got noodles on your head. So watch what you say.
Oh, we love the ramen noodle
The
head.
ramen noodle.
Yeah.
It's gonna be May.
May. Yeah. My latest obsession is a Britney Spears impersonation, but it's just with
my
one
God.
noise. Ready? Ow.
Ow.
She is faster.
She is faster, right?
Yeah. But it's not a competition, okay?
It is, kind of.
Yeah, is it though? I'm cross-checking, actually, like on a plane. Cross-check doors.
And the exits are here, here,
and
here.
here.
Bye-bye now. Thank you for flying.
Thank you for flying. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye now. Bye-bye.
Do you guys feel when you're flying internationally, do you guys feel more emotional on the plane?
Yes.
Is there a thing with that?
I cry.
I cry all the time in whatever movie I watch. I'm like a mess.
Wait.
Are you on crack?
No, I'm saying, wait. When you say you feel more emotional, do you just mean generally or when you watch a movie?
Well, generally, because I'm a very sound sleeper on a plane. So
Yeah,
I
same.
don't take
Yeah.
any sleeping tablets,
No, same.
calmatives,
Same.
alcohol,
Yeah, same.
anything.
Same.
I'm just me. I watched a cartoon movie. You know, like I like light, happy things.
Yeah, same. Yeah.
And I cried. Literally, I was
yes.
sobbing. And on the air, and I was like, and I was trying to keep it in because I was like, this is like,
My friend who I was flying with was like,
we've applied the roots now. Now we're going to let it sit for 45 minutes.
can we?
Wait, it's coming.
Oh, you have to, I see. Oh,
It's a
wow.
whole thing. Jeez.
Oh, it's not actually. I must just do that. Okay.
Wait, 2 hours later.
There we go.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Rachel has been pre-lightened, toned, and we're very happy with the end result. So now we're going to go into her haircut. We are going to use the top length and we're going to maintain and keep the length on top. Just to show you guys, I've sectioned out kind of like a horseshoe section all the way around. I feel like if it's too high, you're exposing the round of the head shape. And if it's too low, then you're creating a really awkward shape. So there is definitely a sweet spot. Spend a little bit of time on the sectioning, because once you have your sectioning, you can actually just flow into the haircut. You comb once, cut once, and move on. I'm just gonna start with my first section from the temple area. I'm combing from underneath and then combing on the top too. Just first, before I decide kind of my choice of length, I'm also going to be using a point cutting technique instead of like a blunt club cut, because we want quite a soft, gentle end result.
How good does that feel already, Rach? The colour looks amazing.
I'm so ready.
I cannot wait to see this dry.
And I'm just going to continue my sectionings all the way to the back of the head, and I'm following the head shape. So each previous section is combed up to my new section, and I'm following with my body, I'm following all the way through, and then I'm going to be doing the same on the other side. Honestly, for me, short hair, it can be iconic.
Oh, 100%.
Iconic.
Yeah. I believe that everyone can wear a bob. The cool thing about a bob, there are so many different ways to cut a bob. I think everyone should do it. You could do it. I don't have a neck. I look like a footy player, but like I will rock a bob because I don't care. Because I'm confident, and I feel there's also a lot of women that hide behind their hair, and they use hair as their blanket and their cover. That's their safe place, and I totally get that. But I think the day that you let that go, mate, you change your life for sure. I'm getting really philosophical, guys.
Love this for us.
It's my TED talk.
There's an attachment to femininity in long hair. And then if you remove that long hair, it's like, where does the outside see your femininity?
Yeah.
Because all of a sudden you have short hair, and short hair is associated with male-presenting figures.
And it's crazy how we feel like we have a new identity, right? Just having my roots done, I always feel like I've literally, had like
refreshed.
a rebirth. Yeah. So the length that we have here in front would be the length we're going to keep, and then we'll just connect it so that we're following the round of the head shape, and we're just going to connect it to our guide at the back. So our guide at the back, and that is our guide in the front. So we're just going to be connecting the dots. And what's most important is what you leave on and not what you cut off. So if you don't need to cut anything, don't feel that you need to cut anything. Just detail this little ear here.
Just remove it.
Yes, yeah. It's come right off. Just that little bit of softness to match out what's happening on the opposite side.
I didn't tell anyone that I was gonna
I love the responses always.
Yeah.
Like you clearly cut your hair and everyone's like, oh, wait, did you cut your hair? It's
Or
like,
they're like, do you like it? Yes. I have to now.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's like,
Like I decided
say.
to cut my hair today. Yes, I like it. It's such a weird question to ask people. Do you like it?
Do you like it?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Damn, girl. Thang. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready for it? Ding, ding, ding.
Oh, yes. Oh my God, it's a blonde Elvis. I love it.
You can hold.
Oh my gosh, yes,
Yeah.
she's back.
Yeah, she is.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Fully.
It's cool because you have all the softness, right?
Yeah,
you can
no,
tuck
I
that.
love it.
Same.
I love it.
It's nice and creamy, this blonde as well.
Oh my God. Whee! La, la, la.
Yes.
had so much fun with this haircut. So please let us know what you think. And if you want to see more of this, please comment in the comment below.
I'm really, really happy with this color. I think we absolutely nailed it. I mean, we had a very, very good canvas to work on, yes. But there's always different ways and tricks and techniques to approach something. I feel like Rachel is back to Rachel.
Thank you so much.
Oh my God, thank you.
Thank you so much to the both of you.
Thank you
really.
so much.
I'm so happy. I really appreciate it. I'm
Such
so
a
grateful.
pleasure.
Oh my
Thank
God,
you.
of course.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Make sure you like and subscribe to Ride or Die and hit the notification bell.
Cute.
I love it.